back to SciTi Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make a portable solar-powered phone charger out of this charger that you would normally use to charge your phone inside of your car. Let's get started. I have right here a solar panel that came from Radio Shack. It's a 1 watt 6 volt solar panel, exactly the voltage that I need for this project. So let's test out how much voltage this solar panel really puts off indoors. So maybe you can charge your phone inside. It's already 4.23 volts. That's very good for indoor use. Now let's see what happens when we shine a bright light on the solar panel. Will it increase? Oh well, it did. It increased a little bit better. So this shows that this solar panel is pretty sensitive. That's good. So let's start building this project. This part here is positive, and this part here is negative. Now I'm going to go ahead and solder the wires in their correct places. Now I'm soldering the negative wire. And now I'm soldering the positive wire. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and assemble it. Alright, I want it right there. Good. Now let's go put it back inside of its housing. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to use some cardboard to fix everything into place. So I'm going to glue the wires down, glue the circuit down, and now glue this piece of cardboard down and trim the edges to make it look a little bit cleaner and nicer, and glue it down to make it smoother and nicer. Now I'm going to take this housing and glue it down as well. And there, it's done. Everything's all glued into place, and it looks much nicer. And you can see it already works. Even with very little lighting in the room, it works. Just enough to be able to charge a phone indoors. Now everything is all glued perfectly into place, so now this device here will not break and stay perfectly secured. Now let's go test it out in the sun. Okay, so I have my phone, I have my solar panel charger, and as you can see, even just the brightness of outside, it turns on. I need to plug in the USB, plug it into the phone, as you can see, nothing is charging yet. But as soon as I flip the solar panel, boom, now it's charging. And there you have it, your portable solar-powered phone charger. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. Till the next tech, goodbye.